So today on When I Have My Cafe, I'm making you a very special pasta. It's called puttanesca. This was a recipe that was first made in Italy, and it's a very interesting recipe. So here goes. A bed of onions, red pepper, garlic, some basil, I'm throwing it in, some flat leaf parsley, thyme, capers, cherry tomatoes. I'm going to put my anchovies, douse this with oil. You can use a vegetable oil or you can use an olive oil. Place this right here in the middle. Salt, pepper. A nice full flame. So this is what the golden anchovies look like once they come out of the cooker. They have cooked for a good 35 minutes, 2 CTs and 20 minutes after that. A little bit of oil, garlic. And now that the garlic is nicely browned, some tomato, a nice teaspoon of chili flakes, capers, pickled paprika, olives, chopped flat leaf parsley, basil, our anchovies, nice good stir, pasta. And since puttanesca loosely translates to Lady of the Night, I think a little wine is in order. So here goes some white wine and a little cheese to the puttanesca pasta. This is so good. It's tangy. It's got a subtle flavor of fish. It all comes together so well.